I'm against it. What does it mean when a person is against something? The preposition against is often used when a person is in opposition to an idea or a situation. I'm against, and then right here is the thing or person that you have a strong feeling about. This has to be something that you feel strongly about. You have a strong feeling about this thing. I'm against pollution. A lot of people are against pollution or people who pollute. I'm against pollution. I'm against companies and people who pollute. I'm against racism. I'm against unfairness. Or I'm against injustice. These are all things that you can feel strongly about. Right now, you hear a lot of people say that they are, or we are, against the war. This would be the war in Iran. We're against the war. You could also say you are against all forms of war. In that case, remove the article and just say, I'm against war. We're against the war, or just use the pronoun it. We're against it. People who feel very strongly about something protest against it. You can also put a noun clause after this preposition and say, we're against what they are doing. Taken all together, this is kind of like the object of the preposition, against, and then what they're doing. We're against it, or you would say we're against what they're doing. The pronoun it represents all of this. The opposite of against is for. I'm for it. Means that I'm in support of something, whatever this is. I'm for it. I'm all for it. This is often used before for. I'm for, and then here's a situation, improved safety. Or I'm for better working conditions. It's good to say what you are for in addition to what you are against. I'm for democratic values and individual liberty. Here are the pronouns, singular and plural, and then here's the verb be. I'm, your, he's, she's, it's, we're, your, their, against. And then here you could put a thing or a person. I'm against it. But I could also say I'm against him if I oppose a particular person. Or it could be she's against me if a person is opposing me in some way. This could be quite confrontational if a person is against you. It could be at work or school or someplace in your neighborhood. a person is against and then the pronoun. It feels like she's against me. This could be a perception. They're against him. They're against him. You're against us. True or not, sometimes people feel like other people are against them. She's against me. Or it feels like she's against me. It feels like they're against him. It feels like you're against us. What do you have? And then the word against. What do you have against? And here is the person. What do you have against me? What do you have against him? What do you have against them? And of course, if it's a thing, then just use it. What do you have against it? I have nothing against, and then the person's name or pronoun. I have nothing against him. I don't have any bad feelings about this person. I have nothing against him. I have nothing against them. I have nothing against you. Or for a thing, I have nothing against it. You'll often hear a gerund used after against. A gerund is an ing word that represents some kind of an action. This functions like a noun. I'm against bullying. She's against gambling. They're against drinking or some other vice like smoking. Notice that when you're using against, the activity is usually bad or it's a type of vice. Vice is a type of bad behavior. Sometimes people will say they're against a type of vice. People are often opposed to or against ideas or plans. We're against the idea. We're against the plan. We're against the proposal. Or just say we're against it. There's a plan for a large building at this location. Many residents in the area are against it. It's against the rules, or it's against the law, or it's against the regulations. This is the action, and the action is against or in opposition to some type of standard form of behavior or something that's legal. It's against the law to bring a gun into a school. Instead of using the verb be here, you could use go. It goes against the rules. It goes against the law. It goes against the regulations. Or you could say it goes against our beliefs. It goes against our religion. For people who are very religious, something might go against their religion. What are you against? What are you against? Tell me about the things that you are against in the comments section. I hope this video has helped you with a fairly common preposition. If it has helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.